This paper proposes an instantaneous contact localization method based on velocity constraints. We implemented this collision localization method in simulation and assessed the sensitivity of the velocity-based method to noise in the process and model parameters against the proprioceptive contact localization methods. We also tested the proposed method on the Minitaur and the DD hand. The velocity-based method had an average error of 0.48 centimeters with a variance of 0.12 centimeters. We also show qualitative experiments of the method tracking a curved surface with the DD hand. Note that collision is not assumed to be at the fingertip. Lastly, we show how we can extend this method to spatial robots with a particle filtering approach. In this experiment, the filter converges within 50 milliseconds.